Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to perform cleaning cycles and also print a nozzle check test page on a Canon MG6450. Now, this can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the buttons here and the screen on the left. So, if you're not already on a screen that looks like this with copy, scan and cloud, press home to be returned here. So what we're going to do first of all is press down twice until setup appears on the right hand side here. Now press the button directly underneath it, and then we need to go into maintenance, which thankfully is the first option. So we press OK. Now you've got the top three options: print nozzle check pattern, which is like a test page, cleaning and deep cleaning. I'm going to go straight to cleaning since that's the thing that's most commonly asked. Now you could of course do deep cleaning, which uses more ink but is a more thorough clean. I'm going to stick with normal cleaning in this instance. So press OK. Now your printer will take a minute, and what it's doing is taking ink from the ink cartridges and forcing it through the printhead to try and dislodge any ink that has dried or congealed along the printer's printhead and hopefully improve the quality of your prints. Now this will take just a minute. And with the clean complete, you'll be returned to this screen, which is asking if you want to print the test page mentioned earlier. Now I'd recommend going in cycles from here, printing the test page, checking it for any missing colours and lines, and repeating the cleans if necessary. As I say, if you have any stubborn colours that you want to give that little extra push, I'd recommend going for the deep cleaning mentioned earlier, but that'll hopefully give you a good foundation to start troubleshooting and hopefully resolving your issues. But that's all there is to see here really. If you found this video useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.